How to start a print-on-demand business. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can start your very own print-on-demand business. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, the tool that we're going to be using is called Gelato. Now, Gelato is a website where you can create your own print-on-demand business. You can create print-on-demand shirts, posters, calendars, t-shirts, hoodies, whatever it is that you want, you can go ahead and create, even picture frames as well. So it's a pretty cool product. It's a pretty cool website, and it's pretty easy to use. And in this video, we're going to be using Gelato to showcase how you can easily create your own business. So Gelato is free, but there is a pricing plan, which we're going to go over. We're also going to go over some of the features and resources or all products that it offers. Here, as you can see, underneath tools and apps, you will find all these different options, right? So you've got the Gelato app, of course, you've got the analytics, the price navigator, all right? This is going to help you navigate your prices, find the best prices, shipping, and all of that. Got the mockup studio where you can go ahead and create different mockups for your products. So for example, like this image right here, like this woman right here is a mockup. She's wearing a certain t-shirt. That will be your design. So, basically, you're going to create your own models in the mockup studio. You've got the product creation tool, which is going to help you create or design your own t-shirts or print on demand design. You've got the design maker. You've got the personalization studio here. You've got the Etsy tools, Shopify tools, and all of that. So it's an overall a pretty cool product. It's a pretty cool website. And it even has partnered with, as you can see right here, TikTok Shop. So you can go ahead and start selling products on TikTok Shop as well. Now, the pricing for Gelato is a little bit different. Here, as you can see, they've got a bunch of different plans. We've got the free, the Gelato Plus, the Gold, and the Platinum, right? And if you scroll down below, you can see all the 4 plans that are available. And here in the free plan, you are going to get the ability to sell your products, hundreds of products, through their e-commerce store. You've got the ability to integrate your store with the top platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and other ones as well if you click. And with the Plus version, this one is going to cost you $24 per month, $239 per year. And you're going to be able to do everything in the free plan. And also you get 10% off on the products over here. Premium mockups and mockup studio tools are going to be available. Stock images and graphics and fonts are also available in Gelato Plus. You've also got the branded labels and packaging inserts, which is pretty cool. What that means is they will give you your own label, and when you go ahead and put your product in the bag before shipping it, you'll be able to put your own custom made label on it so that it doesn't look like. So that will basically help build the trust and brand image. Got the Gold, which is going to be $119 per month, $11.85 per year. In this one, you're going to get everything in the previous plan, but you get 10% off on all products. Same. You get 30% off on the branded labels and packaging inserts. Advanced pricing settings and optimization with price navigator is also available. Then we have the Platinum, of course. For this one, you're gonna have to go ahead and contact Gelato. They're gonna go ahead and come up with the price that you might like. And this one, you're going to have discounts, dedicated implementation service, dedicated customer service, and success manager, access to platinum community events as well. Pretty cool offer. And if you want to take a look at some of the features right here, you can see these are like the subscription plan products discount, right? So if you get this, you're going to have these much percentages off, or these much percentages as discount on all these products. So on posters, you're going to get 6% discount with the plan Gelato Plus. And if you go with the Gelato Plus Gold, you're going to get 10% off on all of them, right? I just wanted to share that. You also get a deep dive over here on all the features. So in the free plan, you will be able to connect up to 2 stores, which is pretty cool. 2 accounts for users. You got, of course, everything else. You won't get the branded labels and packaging inserts. You don't get the 100 million premium stock photos or the 800 plus premium mockups for your products, graphic images, premium fonts, the discounts for posters and shipping margins, all of that is not available. However, in the Gelato Plus, you have limited access to the premium mockups, and you don't get access to the discounts over here, 30% off branded labels and packaging. You don't get the shipping profit margins and dedicated support margins as well. So except for these 3, you get everything else, and you can connect up to 10 stores in the Plus one and have up to 5 accounts per user over here. which I think is pretty cool, but it is going to be $24 per month. So keep that in mind. I recommend starting with the free plan, generate some revenue, see how things are going. Once that's done, then you can go ahead and upgrade your plan if you need to. But yeah, we're going to be continuing with the free plan, and I'm going to show you how easy it is, right? So all you got to do is click on sign up for free over here at the button. You can choose to sign up from the plan as well. You can sign up over here from Gelato right here. You can go ahead and sign up with either your Google account, Facebook, or Apple, or you can even sign up with email. It depends on you. So I'm going to sign up with Google, and they're going to ask you what your goal is for using Gelato. And over here, you can select whichever option you want. I'm just exploring, want to grow my business, selling products, whatever, right? I'm going to select I'm just exploring. Which one of these describe you the most? I am a seasoned e-commerce. I would love to run a business. I'm an influencer. I'll just select others and just getting started. Then click on next, and then which platforms are you going to be using? So here, it basically depends on you, whichever one you want. I'm going to be selecting Shopify and click on next. Select your revenue. I'll just say that. And then over here, you can link your store. You can skip this as well and do it later on, but I recommend doing it beforehand. But if you want, we can skip it and do this later. What products are you interested in? I'm interested in selling clothes like t-shirts and stuff like that. Are you already selling products? No, not yet. And how did you hear about them? Just, select whatever you want and then just select what you like, and then just simply click on finish, and there you go. This is your dashboard. Here you can go ahead and get started with Gelato. And now we're going to go ahead and create our first product, show you how you can create the product, how you can connect to your store. And yeah, so right here you can see this is going to be your dashboard. Here you've got the best sellers recommended for you, like you've got the matte wallpapers, posters, wall calendars. You've got the canvases, classic, semi-glossy, whatever you want, right? And on the left-hand side, you've got your main options, such as your product catalog. Here you can see all of the products that you have available and which ones you can go ahead and, create your design on, like, clothings, calendars. You've got your phone cases and everything. Here is your store. Here is your orders. You can go ahead and download the Gelato application and manage all of your, orders if you want to approve them or not. And then down below, you've got the stores. And here you're going to go ahead and see which stores you're connected with and all of that, right? Then you got the personalization studios. You can discover what you can do over here. Then you've got the templates, brand selection, billing, and all of that, right? So first things first, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and create a product, right? So let's go ahead and click on product catalog, and here we're going to choose a product. Let's say we want to go ahead and select with men's clothing, right? And we want to sell t-shirts. So select t-shirts, and then over here we're going to have some different types of t-shirts available. Each t-shirt is going to have a different price. So for example, this one is going to start from 10 euros, right? Excluding the VATs and the taxes, right? You can see it's a heavyweight unisex crew neck t-shirt, right? You've got the Gildon rate option right here. And you've got the color, and you can also see that embroidery is available on it. So it's a pretty cool shirt, heavy duty. It's nothing too crazy, but it's a good one. And it's got up to from small to 5XL, pretty vast number of sizes, I would say. So you could go with this one. And as you can see, each of these shirts will have different pricings. So keep that in mind. This one is going to be 8 euros. That one was 10. Shipping in Asia. So as you can see, we've got shipping over here that this shirt only ships in Asia, and it's going to be from 14 euros. This one is 15. So select whichever option you want. This one is worldwide. Let's go ahead and see. We selected this one. Now you're going to need to upload your design. I recommend creating a design on either Canva, or, if you already have one, you can just simply upload your own design over here. So here is the editor, all right? Basically, here is the product that you have. Here you can check out the mockups, the design of it. You can check out the price, economy shipping. You can select whichever place you want it to be shipped. Let's say we want it to be sent over here into Lucia, and this is going to be the price right here. You can see it had the embroidery option available, so you can select embroidery. It is going to change some of the aspects, like change some of the colors, maybe even the price, it depends on it. And then once you've selected the type of print technology you want. You select the size, the garment print, and then you click on start designing, right? You can even buy it from here if you want to just check out the overall quality of the product. And down below, you can see the description, the price, stock, and everything. So let's go ahead and click on start designing. But before we do that, we also need to have a design. For that, we should use Canva. And Canva has like hundreds and thousands of different designs over here. As you can see, you can go ahead and pick one out for you, whichever one you like, and you can go ahead and start designing it, right? If you want, you can go ahead and pick up one of these designs. If not, you can create your own custom one. It all depends on you. And once you have as a design, we can go ahead and get started with the print on demand stuff. So I already have a design. I checked it out. This one I really liked. It's pretty simple, nothing too crazy. And what I want to do is actually I want to change the background to some different color so that it's easier to replace, because Canva is free, but one of their main tools, one of the tools that is necessary, which is the transparent background, it is for, premium users only. So that's why I changed the background just in case, because we are going to be using a third-party website to, make a difference, to change the background. So now we're just simply going to go ahead and download the image, wait for a couple of seconds, then come over here onto this website and upload the design. And we're going to go ahead and remove the design, and there we go. So usually white, if you have a little bit of white in your design, it leaves like a simple trail. That is not good. That's why I used a different color to, distinguish it more. So now that I have a design, we're going to go ahead and download it. There we go. It's now downloaded. Now we're going to come back over here onto Gelato, and we're going to click on start designing. You can go with the embroidery option. It all depends on you. I think I'm going to choose embroidery. You've got the garment print over here, right? And you've got the colors right here, and then just simply click on start designing. Wait for a couple of seconds for the designer to load up, and here we go. So this is your shirt. You can zoom in and check it out. The design for embroidery is going to be a simple one over here at the corner. If you wanted to have like a big design, that is only for the direct garment, DTG basically. So let's go ahead and click on this design option and just, upload our design, which is right here. And once it's uploaded, we can go ahead and place it over here. So there we go. It is now done. Now we can just drag and drop it and place it right here. So it says it's an error. It says right here, there you go. It's a little bit out of bound, maybe, or maybe it's saying that, the resolution is not high enough. So as you can see, because it was a low print, the print would look best at a minimum of 150 dpi. It's currently at 49 dpi, 42 dpi, which is not good. So the optimal should be something like this one, like a very small and fine print. So I think embroidery would look good, but the design element overall is very different. So but you get the gist of it. Is just an example. Make sure that you are uploading a very high version of your design so that it doesn't look awful. And then over here you've got the colors on the left hand side. You can select whichever color you want and see how your print would look like on various different colors. Of course, on black or darker colors it would look weird, but you get the gist of it. So I think it looks good on white and this skin color or neutral color. And then we have the light pink and the sports gray. Sports gray, nothing really crazy, but the ash color actually looks pretty cool. So now we just simply go ahead and we can even view in different sizes as well, but it really doesn't matter a lot. But yeah, the designer is actually pretty simple, right? This was just this, but if you wanted to add your own stuff to it, on the left hand side you've got all of these options. You've got the layers, so if you have multiple different designs laying on top of each other, you can go ahead and fidget around over here. At your files, text, shapes option right here. Warnings are going to be over here. As you can see, it's just telling me that it's not that high of a resolution, but that's fine. Then you've got the layouts as well. So you've got different layouts where you can go ahead and implement your design. So you can go ahead and implement this whole layout, and it's going to create just basically grid. So for example, if I do this, I can add multiple different designs over here, but it depends on you. I can maybe use this and add different letters over here on individual text or individual grids and create like a sentence or something. I think that will look pretty cool, but you get the gist of it. It depends on your creativity, I suppose. And then you have the settings option here. You can go ahead and select whether you want the sample lines, or you got the grid options, grid lines and everything. It depends on you. Got the stickers. So if you wanted to add like a certain sticker, like, Halloween stickers, since if Halloween is around the corner, you can add that. If it's Christmas, depends on you. and your holiday. But yeah, you've got a bunch of options within the editor itself. Next, once you've finished your design, all you got to do is either save it as a template, or what you can do is click on add to order or add new. It will help you add a new design and you should be good to go. Now here you have your order, right? This is where you go ahead and actually place the order and go to shipping, and then you can go ahead and test out the product, the quality, and once it's done, you are good to go. Then you can go ahead and create your own product, right? So over here you've got continue to shipping. Gonna go ahead and go to shipping, then you got review and pay, and then you order this design. But I just wanted to show you how you can go ahead and create the design. So let's go back over here onto home and get started. But now let's go ahead and create our own product, right? So you've got the create product button right here. If you click on create product, gonna tell you to go ahead and select multiple products or single product, right? Select whichever option you want. I'm gonna select a single product for now. It's going to take you over to this section where you can choose the product. If you already have created the template, you can choose it. But if not, just go to product catalog and select whichever options you want. I wanted to create a poster this time. I'm going to use the same design, but I'm going to use it as a poster, right? So I'm going to click on the poster section, and then over here we got canvases, museum quality matte paper poster or premium matte paper poster, whatever option you want, just select it and we should be good to go. I'm going to select the this one right here. It looks pretty cool, semi-classic glossy paper. We've also have like wooden frames. This is actually pretty good. You can go with this one as well. So let's go ahead and select this one, and here you can see now we have some more options right here, right? I would also recommend you go ahead and create a full-on template, right? This will allow you to create the whole design, the whole structure. So like design, mockups, details, pricing, and review, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Create a template for this classical wooden frame. And here you can see you have some more options. Start by choosing the product variant. So you've got white, wood, dark wood, or black. Depends on you which one you want. You have two options, right? You've got assemble, ready to hang, or not assemble right here. Depends on you which option you want. Ready to hang is just take it out of the box and hang it. Not assembled is you take it out of the box, you assemble it, and then you go ahead and post it. Not assemble is going to be cheaper. Assemble, ready to hang is going to be a little bit expensive. Depends on you. You have the orientation, the sizes as well. You've got multiple different sizes. I'll just choose some small, medium, and something in between. There we go. Once that's done, click on continue to mockups and you should be good to go. We'll select not assembled. There we go. So next we can go ahead and add in our design. We already have it. This design actually looks pretty good on this one. Now we're going to go over here and click on continue to mockup. Now we're going to go ahead and select some mockups, and it's important you select some good mockups that highlight. This one I think should be primary, but I think that's for premium. Yeah, it's for premium. Yeah, you can see that. But yeah, go ahead and select your mockups. All right, we've got the close-up, kitchen, lobby, office, and everything, right? Let's go ahead and select free one so that we can see the free versions. So this one looks good. I think we should go with this one and make it primary. And then we've got this one. This looks good. This looks good. This is this. This one also kind of looks good, but yeah. I'll select this one as well. And then you've got the variants down below, and then click on continue to detail. You've got the mockups ready. Now you're going to go ahead and add the detail of it. So here you have the detail. You can choose the title name, what you want for this description. You've got tags, so choose tags. You can select up to 13 tags. It's pretty good. That way when people search for it, if you have certain tags within your description or with our products, they'll pop up. And once that's done, just simply click on continue to pricing. Over here, add the pricing, adjust the pricing for what you want. So right here, this is the retail price, all right? And this is the product cost. This is how much it's going to cost you, all right? And this is the shipping cost for the location that you've set. And then you've got your profit margins right here. If you want to change the location, say we change the location to the United States, then this is how much it would cost for shipping as well. So make sure you adjust the price, whatever you want. And then just simply click on review. You can even go ahead and set the profit margins. So let's say we want 50%. So this is 50%. Let's say we want like 20%, right? And click on update. There you go. Now we have 20% margins. Price is a little bit cheaper as well. So now we'll just simply click on continue. And there we have it. We now have a template for our design. So we'll just save the template. We'll name it as the wooden frame poster. Now, whenever we go ahead and create a design that is related to the template, right? We can go ahead and quickly just change the design, and the rest would be the same. So yeah, pretty cool. If you are selling multiple different variants, like multiple different designs of the same product, creating a template will save you time. Next, all that's left for you to do is to go ahead and click on add to store. And here you just simply go ahead and connect to a store. We're going to select Shopify. We're going to click on Shopify. And here we just simply add the Shopify application to our Shopify store and we should be good to go. So I'm logged into my Shopify store. Now I'm just simply going to come over here. I'm going to reload the page and I'm going to install the print on demand application, Gelato application. Click on install, add the store URL. So we should have the store URL right here. Currently it's not set up because I literally just created it in a couple of seconds, but this is the URL. So I'm just simply going to copy it and I'm going to paste it over here and click on login. And I'm now logged in. I'm going to install the application. It's going to open up in another tab right here. As you can see, it's loading up. And now we just simply click on install the Gelato application. Give it a couple of seconds to load up. It's going to tell you that you have successfully connected the store and how would you like to import the process orders, right? You can do this automatically. So whenever, you receive an order on your Shopify store, Gelato will automatically process it and then send out the appropriate product that you've added onto the store. If you select manually, each order needs to be approved before sent manually. So keep that in mind. It depends on you. You can connect your products over here and create new products over here, right? So let's go ahead and click on connect products. And right here, we can see we have no product right here. So we've got to go ahead and create them. But I did think that we had created a template, right? So we should be good to go. We can easily go ahead and use this template. But yeah, let's go ahead and use this template and click on add it to store. We're going to select the store, wait for a couple of seconds. And I believe now we have to go ahead and set it up again. But yeah, that was the template. Now we can just simply go ahead and just change the design, add whatever design we want, and then just simply click on continue. We've already selected every single mockup and everything, so we don't need to go ahead and do all of this again. But if you want, you can go ahead and do this. So as you can see, all the mockups that we had selected within the template are still over here. All the details are exactly the same, the price and everything. So we're going to simply click on continue and then just simply click on publish, and the product is being published. You can continue to add more products, so just leave it over here, give it a couple of times. As you can see, it's still waiting. And once that's done, we are good to go. Now, it's not as simple as that. Of course, I skimmed over a few details, but this was the main process of how you can go ahead and create your Gelato account, how you can, create your products, how you can connect it to a third-party store like Shopify, and how you can process or connect the store and send the products over to that store. So right here, as you can see, it's publishing. But yeah, there's still more things to do. Like you gotta go ahead and set up your payment settings. Over here, you've got the billing settings, billing entities. You gotta go ahead and do that. You gotta fill out some tax forms, especially in Shopify as well. You gotta fill out all the details, like the domain, the plan, and everything. And once you've done everything, once you've set up, you should be good to go. So it says right here that it's failed to go ahead and publish, but you can go ahead and try again. I'm sure it's just because my store hasn't really been activated yet. So to activate the store, you need to go ahead and buy one of the plans right here. So as you can see, since I'm on the trial version of Shopify, I can't connect it. But yeah, make sure that you go ahead and purchase a plan, choose a plan, whichever plan you want, and once that's done, you can go ahead and import your products and start selling them online. So there you go. That is how you do it. That is how you can go ahead and start your very own print on demand business. Pretty simple. There's many other platforms out there that also can help you start your print on demand business, like Printify or Printful. But Gelato is a pretty cool application. They have tons and tons of options available for you, and it's pretty simple as well for beginners. So do check it out and let me know in the comment sections what you think about Gelato and what you thought about this video as well. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.